Welcome to day 41, the fourth last day of the Amazon 10K challenge, where we take a product together, me and you, from $0 to $10,000 every single month on Amazon FBA to change your life financially. This isn't changing my life. I already know how to do this. I already am making money on bigger products than this, but I'm launching this to change your life financially. So I hope you're taking action at home alongside me and replicating this for yourself. So all the money that I'm making that goes to my bank account is also being duplicated at home for yourself and going into your bank account. That is the purpose of Freedom Formula. That's the purpose of this 10K challenge and all the other great content we are putting out here is to change your life, because it's very, very possible and very easy, even if it feels a little bit overwhelming at the moment. So keep taking action, keep watching along, and join the FBA Freedom Formula Facebook group, where everybody else is working together, everybody else is following along, everybody else is on that 10K train, getting to that $10,000 a month, which is, believe me, because I learned firsthand, as soon as I hit that $5,000 to $10,000 a month, it's life-changing. You can do whatever you want with your life. You can travel the world, you can fire your boss, you work for yourself. You build a business that works for you, and you don't have to show up to work every day. So if you want that more time to spend with your family, more time to spend flying all over the world, visiting cool places. I'm in Manila right now. We've been here for 3 months. We got another 3 months here. It's really awesome. We're loving it. And then we're moving up to Norway, to Oslo for 3 months, just because we can move wherever we want to move. We can do whatever we want to do with our life. So we're just choosing what we want to do when we want to do it. So get in this group because everybody else is doing the same thing in here. I want to shout out Jonathan JJ Arnold today because he took action and he joined the masterclass. And if you don't have the masterclass yet, check out the link in the description below the Facebook group link is the Amazon FBA Masterclass 2018 link, where we put everything that we know, all the advanced strategies that I've been mentioning here that I don't have time to go into depth with you on this YouTube channel. It's all in the masterclass, A to Z, from step 1, not knowing what to sell on Amazon, through validating your idea, sourcing it, and getting started, and taking you by the hand and walking you through every step. So it takes out that guesswork and that overwhelming feeling. It's gone. Once you've gone through this masterclass, you have my mentality and Evan's mentality, and you have conviction and confidence around your launch. So if you're serious about launching on Amazon, get the masterclass because it will change your life. Jonathan also said he's 2 modules down of the masterclass, and he's already rethinking his launch of his product, which is awesome because that's what we want to do. We want to make sure you're launching the right way, because very, very little amount of people actually launch the right way the first time. So you need that roadmap, that guideline to make sure you're not messing up your first launch, because we've messed up launches and we've learned those lessons so you don't have to. He said he thought he was good to go after following the transparent launch, which is the series you're watching right now. Very glad he joined the masterclass. What I've learned in the first hour may have saved me a lot of time and money. That's exactly why we've created that masterclass. And the transparent launch is good to inspire you and good to show you what's possible. But if you really want that roadmap and that step-by-step, make sure you get yourself a copy of the masterclass course. The link is in the description. So in this video, we're going to go through a sales update, a ranking update. We're going to go over our product, some changes we're making to it, and another important mindset. Now, we've done a lot of mindsets and it's not 100% actionable for you right now, but it's important that this mindset gets out there because it's really, really, it's really important. I'll use that word again in order to have a successful product, to understand exactly this mindset that I'm about to show you. So let's jump in. Okay, so you should recognize this listing by now. We have 9 customer reviews. It's still at $24. We're going to bump it up a little bit and I'll show you why. You can see this nice, slow and steady. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, check it out because that's what I'm talking about. I told you how not to launch a product and how a lot of our competitors and a lot of first-timers launch their product in the way that I advise you not to, and how to avoid it. But you can see we're slow and steady, and we're compounding our efforts through our sales funnels that we're building in the back end. Again, watch this whole series if this doesn't make sense. I'm going to assume you've watched up to this day. And it's a nice gradual slope down. You can see we go zoom in on the week. It's a nice slope down. Bestseller rank was about 9,000. You can see it goes up overnight a little bit. So that's on the day, sorry. It goes up over at the nighttime and then goes down during the day, during the sales. We're filling up customers who also bought as we're getting more sales, filling up customers who also viewed this item, which is awesome because we're going to start appearing on their listings and getting that valuable product web. Day 26, if you want to watch that one. You can see, I think we really do stand out. This guy's got some nice color here across these compare similar item boxes, which is going to be good because even though we're not showing up there yet, for example, this guy's going to have the same box on his listing. We're not showing up there yet because we're brand new. We've been listed for 3 weeks, 21 days. We will start showing up, and because we have such an awesome photo, we're going to be getting a lot of people back. So make sure you spend a lot of time on that photo. It's probably the most important thing you do for your product. Our ranking, I won't go through the full sheet, but we are doing well. We are still on the first page for a lot of our scratch off map of the world. Well, that's definitely not our keyword. Scratch off map of the world, which is the most searched keyword for scratch maps. And one of these bestseller tags is going to be ours pretty soon. I think it's this one, social study accessories. But if we come down, you can see here we are. 2 rows from the bottom, so almost in the middle of that first page. And this first page is going to be a lot harder to climb than the last 20 pages that we've slowly climbed. This first page is probably going to take us the equal amount of time, so probably another 3 to 5 weeks to get to that very top spot, which is here. These, of course, are ads at the top. But we will be climbing that together. I want to jump into the back end of our Amazon. Now, don't ask me why it's all set up in one column. I honestly don't know, and I couldn't find the right button to fix it. I hope that doesn't ruin my credibility, but it all still works. So down here is our sales summary, and this actually might work better because I know my video appears in the bottom right section. You can see that over the last 30 days, we've sold 148 units of this product. Now, we haven't been selling for 30 days, but we've been selling for about 17, I think. So we've sold 148 units in that amount of time. In the last 15 days, we've sold 131. The last 7 days, 83. And today we've sold 0 because it's just ticked over midnight in the USA on the time that Amazon is using. So we haven't sold any yet. But as soon as people start to wake up, we'll start selling these maps. So what I want to point out is not all of these sales, as you know, are going to be full price sales. We're doing, we got a lot of, I'll show you right now. That's what I'm showing you in a second. We got a lot of sales funnels that we have set up that are bringing us 50% off sales. We have some that are 85% off sales that are using Vipon. We have about 5 coupons a day going out. So probably about 3 or 4 sales a day are coming in at 85% off. And then we have a couple of other coupon amounts, and I'll go through them in a second. But what I need to tell you, and I guess we can go through this right now, is this red is our push. This is our launch. And this is us setting up these funnels over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 funnels plus all the other funnels that are out there. There's hundreds of different funnels. These are the 6 top ones, the easiest ones to get started on as a beginner. The 6 ones I recommend, and I recommend you choose one and focus on it. But basically these funnels are getting set up one by one here, and we're building up this almost artificial funnel that leads people back and gets these sales. And it takes a lot of work up front to get this going. We really got to push that snowball down the hill. The sales snowball down the hill and get that momentum. And once we get that momentum, it's going to take off. And then these organic sales are just going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. And you no longer need to set up the funnels. The funnels can just sit there and bring in sales and maintain consistency. And these organic sales will grow and grow and grow. Now, I think we're about here at the moment for our launch. We're about halfway to 3/4 of the way through this launch. And we haven't really hit the full capacity. I'd say we're about halfway through building our funnels, but I have had to stop building our funnels. And this is an amazing problem and a much more common problem than you think, especially if you're taking the masterclass and following these steps here, is you run out of stock. You are limited by the amount of stock that you have because your product is selling too well. So I've stopped building these funnels and a couple of other funnels. I've stopped doing shout outs. I've lowered the amount of coupons we're giving away because we don't want to sell out, because that kills all the momentum, all that sales snowball momentum. It's gonna kill all that momentum. And we went through that profit calculator, that reorder calculator together to make sure you don't run out of stock. But I only have, and if you put this into the calculator, you'll see. Oh, we've got to sign back in. I only have 352 units left, which sounds like a lot, especially when we started with 501. It's still like that's over 50%. We are selling up to 20 a day. So that's the wrong one. Here we go. Up to 20 units a day. I think our biggest day was 25 units. If we keep going at that pace, I have to reorder in 3 days time. Otherwise, I'll run out of stock. For every day over 3 days that I wait to reorder, it's going to be an extra day out of stock, which is going to kill our momentum. It's one of the biggest mistakes, and a mistake I've made too many times is running out of stock. So what I've had to do is slow the back end, the sales funnels, so less people are going to be coming through, less people are going to be buying our item. I'm going to bump our price up just a couple of dollars to again slow those sales down, because we want to be averaging 15 to 20 sales. We're putting in a reorder. Now, we had a $4,000 budget for this, and if you don't have more money or you can't borrow more money, a lot of time Amazon actually lends you money. I won't go into too much detail, but if you have a successful product that's taking off, it's very easy to find more money, even if you don't have it in your bank account. If you have it in your bank account and you have a successful product, it's a no-brainer to reinvest. Too big of a deal, you have to wait till Amazon pays you for your first sales, and then you can reinvest that money into your next sales. But because we do have some money in the bank, and because I want to show you what is possible here, we're going to reinvest within the next 3 days so that we don't run out of stock, because I really want to go for that top position on the Amazon listings. And we will be ordering within the next 72 hours so we don't miss Chinese New Year, because Chinese New Year is the 15th of February this year. It's January 21 here, and a lot of factories shut down before that. I think our factory shuts down about the 10th of January. So we have a little over, I guess, 17, 18 days before they close down. And our production time is 15 days. So we really need to get that in and get them to send our stock before Chinese New Year. So that's what we'll be doing. And again, don't stress if you don't have extra capital to invest, or you don't have a way to get extra capital. You can simply wait it out. You can put your price up, make more per unit, and slow grind it up. That's what I did at the start. And now that I am lucky enough to have a little bit extra capital, I can pour gasoline on the fire that we have created and get these, because I think these units can go up. If I go back to this graph right here, our organic units are really, really under optimized. Some of our competitors are selling up to 100 units a day organically. So I think we can triple, quadruple, even quintuple, if I'm saying that right. I don't think I've ever said that word. Our sales, our organic sales. So I want enough stock to be able to do that, because right now we are limited by the amount of stock we have. What I wanted to go through is where these orders are coming from, and just to show you some of these orders. So you go orders, manage orders if you ever want to get this view, and you can see that the orders are listed here, what time people bought. So you can see these people bought 5 minutes away from each other. Lots of orders coming in, which are cool. And obviously we only have one product. If you have multiple products, it's going to tell you the title here. And when you click on this, it opens. Now I've got these off to the side because I don't want to show people's addresses, and I don't have to want to go and edit these videos. It shows you how much people actually paid for it. So we have about 4 to 5 different types of people paying for these items. For the influencer shoutouts, you can see these are the 50% off coupons we used on Instagram stories and Snapchat stories from accounts with large travel followings. And people had used that coupon that we gave in there, come through and bought it for 50% off, which is great, because the more money that people are paying for it, the more powerful the sale is, and the more Amazon will boost your listing. So we've got these ones, the 50% off sales. A lot of those have been coming through. This is an interesting one. This is an organic sale, so it's full price, but they've even paid $10.58 shipping. So you will get some of those for people who aren't Prime members, paying more than the price that you've paid. And cool, looks like it's a birthday present down here. I just saw that little gift message, which is cool, because I probably could add that into the SEO in the description, something about great birthday gift. These ones are the 85% off coupons, and these ones are the really big early push that you want to get. Obviously, I'm not making money on these sales, but you want to get these out there early to get over the organic hump that I've discussed about 3 days ago now. And once we're over the organic hump, we can increase these coupons and start to have them level out. And therefore we're making money on all of our sales. And of course we have our full price sales, which are just coming from either pay-per-click or our SEO rank or our product web, which is starting to get out there. And I just included a couple of those because there's quite a few of these coming in. I'd say about 40 to 50% now are going to be being organic sales, and we want, as I said, to increase that number over time. So it just takes off because there's no upper limit to those organic sales. You don't have to put them in a ratio to how many sales you're generating. Have a look at what your top competitors doing and see how much room you have to grow. We still can 5x this business. Even if we're getting 19 sales a day, we can take that up to 100 sales a day, which is really, really exciting. So I wanted to go through that with you today just to show you where our sales are coming from, how all the work we did makes sense now, how we set these funnels up. We use these strategies to get people to view our product. We have a really high converting product, and we are therefore converting people to actual paid buyers and making money from it. So I want to keep this video quick. We've got 4 days left. I got a lot of good stuff to squeeze in before then. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications to see that. Get a copy of the masterclass as soon as possible if you are serious about launching on Amazon. And comment below too if you want to see anything. We've got 4 more days left, and then we're going to switch to weekly videos. So make sure you comment below if you want to see anything in those last 4 days. Thanks so much for being here. It's been a really fun time for me to show you exactly how to market products and how to launch them and how to get that financial freedom for yourself. So I'm honored that you are on the 10K train with me. And next up is 10K Town, which should be less than a week away. So I'll see you there.